Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Rafael. In today's video, we will learn how to make Christmas ornaments at home. Materials: a balloon. I will use a small one. Thread or yarn. I will use yarn. Liquid glue. A paper clip. And scissors. Steps. The first step is to blow up the balloon, but not too much. Then, in a container, put some liquid glue. Now, dip all the yarn needed for your Christmas ornament into the container of liquid glue. Now, wrap the balloon with the yarn dipped in glue. It is not necessary to follow a pattern, just make sure to wrap it following the shape of the balloon. When finished, use the scissors to cut off the extra yarn. Then, let it dry for a few hours until the yarn turns solid. Then, carefully deflate the balloon and take it out through a hole. Now, take a paper clip and shape it into a kind of hook. Finally, place the hook on the Christmas ornament, and you are done. Now, you are ready to hang it on your Christmas tree. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.